What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today, and what we're going to be looking at is Bitcoin. Right now we're at about $59,000, and what I wanted to get into today, guys, was, I've been in the space for over 7 years now, and this has been some of the toughest consolidation in a bull market that I've seen for Bitcoin. But what this could mean is that the longer we consolidate here, the bigger the breakout could be, and I'm not guaranteeing that it's going to go to the upside, guys. My gut feeling, and from what I'm looking at with technical analysis, the trend has been up, and I believe that's the momentum is still to the upside for Bitcoin. But when we're looking at this here, I think we need to not panic. We need to relax that we're in a massive range right now from $48,000 up to, $74,000. And it's tough. This is the time, guys, in markets, you really can't force it. Every day you cannot make money in the markets, and it's the truth. You have to be patient in this game. And that's why I'm trying to talk to my subscribers here today, is just tell you guys to be patient. Don't let this mentally stress you out, because I know it's happening. I know I'm even feeling just a little bit of, my goodness, will this thing get moving? And I've seen a lot of price action in cryptocurrency. So I know that many other people are feeling like that. But when we take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame right now, and we step back, guys, this is the only thing that we can do. This is the best crystal ball that we have, is essentially to let the trend guide us. And if we're looking at our moving average on the weekly time frame, we're still up above our 200, we're still up above our 50 right now. You can see in the previous bull market that we had, this major run, guys, back in 2021, even the China collapse, where we ended up going down, let's see here, roughly about 55%, we still held and closed essentially every candle. Maybe this one we didn't hear, but every candle up above that 50 before we tried it again here. So it's significant that we wicked all the way down there. We tested it, and we had a really nice wick of buying pressure come in right off that range here. So if we look, guys, that's a wick of 15%. Typically when you see a wick of 15%, and this is cryptocurrency, anything can happen, the bottom's in, the local bottom's in for that move, and then we're eventually going to get going to the upside again. Like we said, we've consolidated so long that the next break could be a longer sustained one. And most of these moves, guys, if you go back, they typically last between like 2 and 3 months, and then you get at least another 30% correction or 20% correction, something pretty significant that lasts, for 3 or 4 months. So when we're looking at Bitcoin here, though, guys, we need to just step back. We need to be patient. I want to show you some of the technicals right now, and this is going to help us. So first, we always start at the month. For the month right now, for Bitcoin, which is the most important, we still have a buy signal. We have a 2 sell, a 10 neutral, and a 12 buy. On the 1 week, this here, guys, where it gets a little bit more sticky, and that's why that's so confusing in this range, because it's such a big range bouncing back and forth. We have a sell. We have 10 sell, 9 neutral, and a 7 buy. On the 1 day, we have a strong sell, which is a 16 for sell. Neutral is going to be a 9, and buy is going to be a 1. So right now, if we're looking at the monthly, we're still in good shape. Weekly's getting a little more questionable, and then the daily time frame, if we take a look at that, here, guys, on the daily time frame, we're trading below the 200-day moving average, which we have back tested, and we failed. So now it's really going to take a lot of buying pressure to get back up through that area. We have to get back through the 200, as well as all this overhead resistance. I mean, you can see here, guys, this is significant. But how I know Bitcoin typically works, it'll be something like this, guys, and it'll be 1 daily candle or 2 candles that just smash through everything when no one's expecting it, and then we start making our move. So I think we have to be patient here. I think we have to be calm. Let's not lose our minds. If you're holding positions, the best thing to do, guys, is not to be in leverage. Just hold spot without any stop loss, buy at good levels, support levels, and then hold and wait for that euphoria, and slowly ladder out into euphoria with limit sell orders on the way up for the targets that you need for your life, so that you can pay off debt, pay off your house, pay off cars, add more Bitcoin, gold bars, whatever you need to do. But try to get out of debt, guys, the best that you can. That's what I'm trying to do this cycle, Lord willing. I'm going to try to pay off any debt that I have all the way around, and I would love to be debt free at 36 years old. That to me would be such a blessing for my family, and I hope we can do that down the road here, but we got to be patient, guys. This price action has been tough, so hang in there. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.